if you see this blinking icon on your MacBook, most likely it's a solid drive issue. This MacBook Air is 15 years old. Yeah, with enough care they can survive such a long, but it's already been 3 times to repair in shop and replaced keyboard and battery and solid drive. So for now it's broken again, and let's open it to see what's inside. After opening it, I discovered that native solid drive was replaced with a regular M.2, and I already checked this Samsung on another computer and it's working fine. So most likely the issue here is this adapter, which is I do not see any microcontrollers on it, so I think it's just a pure wired connection in between 2 different sockets, and most likely the problem is in these pins. So this worked for 8 years without issues, and now maybe what I found is that if a solid drive goes very deep into the socket, it stops working, but if I pull it a little bit, I could boot my computer fine. But the problem is that this screw hole doesn't let me to fix it in this position, and that makes it not reliable. Ordered one from Amazon for 15 bucks. Let's see if this replacement will work better than previous one. I think they are both cheap adapters, and here it's holding it much better than previous one. Let's try to install it. And so I screwed it up, it's holding nice. Let's try to turn it on. Okay, finger crossed, turn it on and see.